Hey guys, Creative Collector here, and today I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can organize your cards into binders. So make sure you stick around to find out. So the first way is to organize them by alphabet. So you can see right here, I've got the A's in my binder and I'm working on the B's. And the way I sorted them is I just basically over here, I just laid out a Pokemon card of every single letter, and then I just added on to that until I have piles to organize into my binder. So then, by organizing them by region, I kind of like that because it's like an actual Pokédex that you're doing. So I've tried the other 2 ways, but the one I really recommend to you most is alphabetically, because it's really fun to just lay them out one by one. And also there's another way inside to just do them by duplicates, if you ever get duplicates. And so leave me comments down below to tell me if you use any of these ways in the video, and I will try and like as many comments as I can.